Namaskar, this is Sunili welcoming you all to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, hope you all are doing wonderful. And once again, I am back with our routine and regular knowledgeful videos. Yes. So, yesterday we talked about Venus and Ketu, how it is a bliss. Always we feel that Ketu is giving negative fruits only. Ketu is not able to give us positive fruits. No, it is not like that. Ketu is abundance. Ketu is victory. That is why we always compare Ketu with flag. Whenever some victory takes place, then our flag is hosting always. So basically today again we are going to talk little bit more about this Ketu. Now whenever we talk about Ketu, so you know why we adore Ketu and Rahu more, because these are the pioneer of our birth cycle. Rahu and Ketu are by default pioneer of our birth cycle, our karma cycle, and they are the main uh, deities, or they are the main energies which are working very effectively and prominently in our day to day work cycle. So when we talk about Ketu, I am going to talk today about planet Saturn also. So, whenever Saturn and Ketu are posited together, or whenever Saturn and Ketu are aspected by each other, or whenever they have connectivity with each other, like they are 311 to each other, Ketu is in nakshatra of Shani, or Shani is in nakshatra of Ketu. I have seen that these people are moreover more keen towards doing research. They are more keen towards doing social work. Also, Shani and Ketu is something like, this is one of the spiritual combination. I can totally understand that Ketu tries to detach. Shani is very slow planet, so maybe by the time Shani reaches the actual goal, Ketu keeps the person detached. But these people are very dedicated. They are concentrated towards their goals, but some or other way, because of Shani and Ketu. By default, Shani is Karma Karaka planet, and whichever house your Saturn and Ketu goes in a chart, that house related emptiness it creates. Why I am calling it emptiness? Say for example, it is posited in your 10th house of chart, if Shani and Ketu, then definitely profession gear ups late. Maybe you are finding no proper profession for you. You are not getting channelization for your career, or maybe you like multiple channels but you are not able to select any out of that. This is Shani and Ketu, because in your some life you did so much of karmic cycle, you did so much of work, and you did not pay attention to anything else. That is why in this life you are just wondering what to do next. This is one of the fruit of Shani and Ketu. Second fruit of Shani and Ketu, or Saturn and Ketu, is these people are uh, highly spiritual people, I will call. No matter, they will say that we are not going to temple, we are not lighting lamp, or we are not praying, or we are not lighting candles, or whatever, we are not reading any type of scriptures or something, but this is by default energy inside you. You have a fantastic healing power in you. This I have seen in multiple charts. These people are moreover, if they select the profession or career of public domain, giving services to others, or even astrology also, psychology, being a good psychic, or also these people, if they decide to do consultation, counseling, if they decide to become a preacher, also good presenter they are. So this Shani and Ketu gives them deep thought process to give out many things in one line. They have that capacity. Even they are very much mature by their thoughts. So this is positive fruit of Saturn and Ketu. And if this Saturn and Ketu are getting full support of Jupiter or Venus by alignment, or by trine, or by together placement, then definitely again it is sone pe suhaga like thing. Definitely whatever work they do, they are getting success in that. Now many say that even though we have Jupiter, Venus also, but still we are not getting success. So friends, the reason could be your dasha has not come, your antardasha is not precipitating factor, and above all, the age factor for particular age plays very important role. Once you cross your 25 of age, then definitely this Saturn Ketu will start reacting or activating in your horoscope. And trust me, this really makes wonders. But only thing that, do not rush after that. I am not an engineer, I am not a doctor, or I am not something very big, in a post position, or institution, or organization. Just follow your mind, follow your talent. That is what Shani and Ketu is telling you. Then you have to see that Saturn is in which nakshatra or Ketu is in which nakshatra. Then it shows the minute form of selection of your career. Second thing, when I talk, wherever these Saturn and Ketu are posited in your horoscope, definitely that house related emptiness I was talking about. So if seventh house, then definitely maybe late marriage, or you are just waiting for a proper spouse or proper partner. Sometimes under expectations, over expectations. It is in the fourth house of chart. If, then definitely you are away from your homeland, hometown, home city, or home state for work purpose or study purpose. Maybe parental bliss, mother bliss is lacking. Maybe because of work, because of study, you are away from your home. Also, if it is in your third house of chart, which is your courage house, then definitely some or other type of difficulties or hurdles. But ultimately Saturn is also good in third house of chart, so it will give you much more good support. See, whatever I am saying, that some emptiness it will create, that doesn't mean that this yuti is not good. Emptiness means maybe you are bound to go away from that signification, for your progress. Rather, I will say that, because your progress is going to become so high that now you just have to suffer little. That is what I will say. So friends, this was all about Shani and Ketu, what I understand from my perspective. Other than that, everyone knows about Shani, everyone knows about Ketu. So it will give slow but steady victory. That much I can definitely show. So stay tuned with Planet Soul Astrology. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste. Thank you.